am Dr. B. Srinivas, Controller of Examination, Professor of Chemistry from Pallavi Engineering College. This college is floated by the Pallavi Group of Institutions, Kumraya Garu, and it offers BTech programs and MBA program. It is located in Nagol, very close to the Nagol metro station, and it is centrally located within the core city of the Hyderabad. It is accredited NAC with A plus A grade and NBA. It is having all the accreditations and autonomous. The intake of the college is 420 BTech and 180 MBA students. It is having excellent faculty and offers uh, all the facilities which required to the BTech and MBA students. And we have sports facilities and placement facilities and placement training sessions. It gives good and excellent education to the BTech students. And we are having placements in various number of companies like Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, etc. All the multinational companies are coming to our campus to recruit the students. This year we have recruited near about 70% of the students in various companies. And thank you very much.